Today, I am reviewing the PUR Plus vertical faucet mount water filtration system. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the PUR Plus vertical faucet mount for about 3 months now, and honestly, it has changed how I view my kitchen tap. If you are tired of lugging heavy cases of bottled water home from the store, or if your tap water has that distinct, unpleasant chemical aftertaste, this might be the solution you are looking for. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or see the current price if you want to follow along with my experience. Let's start with the installation because that is usually the biggest pain point with these devices. The marketing says it installs in minutes without tools, and for once, that is actually true. I have a standard threaded faucet, and the unit just screwed right on. It feels secure, and I didn't need a wrench or any plumbing tape. However, you need to be realistic about your own setup. If you have a pull-out sprayer or a handheld faucet, this is not going to work for you. That is a major limitation, and if your sink configuration is non-standard, you're going to be disappointed right out of the box. Always double-check your aerator type before you buy. Once it was installed, the first thing I noticed was the taste. My local water supply is heavily chlorinated, and it usually tastes like I am drinking from a swimming pool. After running the initial flush, the water coming out of the PUR filter was crisp and neutral. It is genuinely impressive how much of that chemical bite it removes. I have been using it for drinking water, coffee, and even filling up my dog's water bowls, and the difference is night and day. The filtration specs are the main reason I chose this model over the cheaper alternatives. It is WQA certified to reduce lead, which is a big deal if you live in an older home with questionable pipes. It also handles microplastics and a long list of other contaminants. I cannot test the water in a lab, but I can tell you that the water quality feels consistent. The 3-in-1 technology seems to do its job well. Now, let's talk about the practical reality of living with this thing on your sink. It is bulky. It makes your faucet look a bit like a science experiment, and it definitely takes up some vertical space. If you have a shallow sink, you might find that you are constantly bumping into it when you are trying to wash large pots or pans. I have had a few moments where I accidentally knocked a colander against the housing, and while it feels durable, it is not something you want to be hitting repeatedly. The filter life is rated for 100 gallons, or about 3 months. I found that I hit the filter change light right around the 10-week mark because I use it for literally everything in the kitchen. The light indicator is a nice touch, but it is basic. It is not tracking flow rate. It is just a timer. If you are a heavy user, you might find the water flow starts to slow down before the light even turns red. When the flow starts to trickle, you know it is time to swap the cartridge, regardless of what the light says. You can find the current pricing for replacement filters through the links below the video, and I highly recommend stocking up because you do not want to be stuck with a clogged filter on a Tuesday night. The build quality is decent for a plastic consumer product, but it is still plastic. The switch that toggles between filtered and unfiltered water feels like it could be the first thing to break if you are too aggressive with it. I have gotten into the habit of being gentle when I flip it, and so far it has held up perfectly. I would suggest everyone do the same to get the most life out of the unit. Who is this for? It is for the renter who cannot install a permanent undersink system, or the homeowner who wants better tasting water without the cost and complexity of a professional plumbing job. If you are looking for an immediate upgrade to your drinking water quality for a relatively low investment, this is a solid choice. Who should avoid it? If you are a fan of a minimalist kitchen aesthetic, you're going to hate how this looks. It is functional, not pretty. Also, if you have a high-end designer faucet or a pull-out hose, save yourself the headache and look at a pitcher system or an undersink unit instead. You will just end up returning this if you try to force it onto an incompatible faucet. Ultimately, the PUR Plus is a balance of convenience and performance. It is not perfect, and it does make your sink look a bit cluttered, but the quality of the water is undeniably better than what comes straight from the tap. It is a practical, honest tool that does exactly what it claims to do. If you want to see if this fits your specific sink setup or to see the current price, check out the links I have provided below the video. It has earned its place on my faucet for now, mostly because I refuse to go back to that chlorine-heavy tap water.